What's up? It's your girl Nemo, and we are back to dyeing my hair. Yes, I am still letting my roots grow out. However, that doesn't mean we can't still have fun with the ends. I am kind of tired of waiting for it to fade out. I'm just ready to change it up. It's been a while. It's been much too long. So, first things first, gotta get rid of whatever color I can. It's got a very fall vibe going on. Orangey, reddish hues going on right here. So we're going to use the BTC Radical Color Remover with water and dander shampoo. Mix that up, put it on my dry hair. The plan is, as long as I can get it to like at least a yellow or maybe lighter, I'm going to try the Unicorn Hair Mochi. Don't think I've ever tried this at all. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to go ahead and get the color remover on and see where we get with that. All right, I hope I have it saturated enough. I did run out, but yeah, I tried to just focus it on my ends since obviously my roots are just my natural color at this point. But yeah, I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna go ahead and put a shower cap on and let it sit for an hour probably at least, if not longer. That was the last of the BTZ I have, but I also do have some of the Ion color remover if it doesn't come out. But yeah, we'll see. I'll be right back. Quick update. It's been sitting on my head for about 30 minutes and I can tell like a lot of it's coming out, but then there's like patches of red. So I think what I'm going to do is just go ahead and rinse it out, then go ahead and put the Ion color remover on and hope that takes care of the last of it because it's already like in the afternoon and I don't have all day. And I have to go to work tomorrow, so this is the only day I have to do it. So, yeah. Okay, I rinsed it out and dried it off, and now I'm about to put the Ion color remover in there. This stuff. But look at this hair. I kind of am digging that orangey yellow. My hair is super dried out because obviously I didn't condition it. But all this red right on my roots is where it's really sticking. So hopefully this will take care of that. And I don't know, if I can't get rid of the red and orange, I may change up the plan. I may go in a blue, turquoise, teal direction. We'll just see. I'm not doing another color remover after this. So however it comes out after I do this remover is what will determine what I do next. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this second color remover on. I think this is already working a little better for the red at least, because I can see the red through, like after I applied it in here. And with this on, I am not seeing almost any red. Just a little bit, but we'll see. Alright, here's what I'm left with. And once again, I'm going to change the blend. I'm actually going to use Kiss Tintation in Pink Obsession. And I just feel like that's one of the safer options I have right now. The blue could work, but I think it'll be safer to do the pink, and pink doesn't typically last that long, especially the Kiss colors. So we're going to do this and then probably go to teal or blue or something in the future, or purple. I don't know. I can never make up my mind. We're just going to do the pink right now. The results are in and I'm fabulous. Oh, I feel like myself again. No, but seriously, it's very pink. It's not as purple as I like kind of worried it would be, but no, it's a very pretty raspberry pink. I'm happy with it. It does still show a lot of my grays coming through, but that's okay. That just means that it will fade back to my grayness. Of course, I stained my scalp. That'll fade after a wash or two. No big deal there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.